Hello, welcome to my stream where I code 3D mission editor for the Operation Flashpoint from scratch. We're in part 23 and today I'm going to add the edit waypoint menu. So that's another menu in the series. Last time we added edit marker. You can edit markers. Today it's edit waypoints, and the process is pretty similar. I need to add dialog and then basically copy paste code from other stuff. Easy. Alright, so let's get right to it. So first I'm going to copy the dialog. Waypoint is here. Alright. So I just copy that to my dialog. Let's rename it to something sensible. Oh yeah, I need to rename the classes now. Group box. Is there a group box? Yeah, there is. Okay. RC title. Yep. Toolbox. I'll have to replace that with combo, which is a drop-down list. Okay, so this should do the trick. Oh, actually no, because there is no toolbox. Oh, there is toolbox, okay. So everything should be here. Okay, so now I need to find the code where I started the dialog. Go to edit unit. There we go. Edit waypoint. That will be on the bottom. Need that. New selection, of course. Need to create the dialog. Edit waypoint. The background number is 1000 in order to identify it. So let me just check. Yes, it's IDC 1000. And I can just copy it to here. Next, all the properties. Okay, I'm going to do that in a moment. And then a loop. Checking if the dialog is still here. So Okay, this does not interest us. And this should be it. Okay, so let's test it. We'll go window mode for now, but I will have to switch it in OBS, which is a bit annoying. This is window mode? Okay, this is full screen. This. Okay, that's correct. Let's see how this works. Yeah, group of waypoint. Selected waypoint. I double click and it doesn't work. That's interesting. Let's find out what's going on. Script is called dialog, and then it's defined edit waypoint. Let's see what's the data here. Oh wait, now I remember. It's not going to be data. It's going to be something different, I think. Oh, I don't even remember how this script works. Okay, let's check this. Oh, it's called current selection type. Okay. So I'll just copy it to here. Okay, let's try this. Come on. Still doesn't work. Okay. What's going on? I need to display information after all. So group shot format, select ID, unit ID. Let's see. Current selection type. Oh, what's going on? Oh no. Seems like this script has some problems. I'll need to see to it later. Okay, let's see. Can't edit anything? Oh. Curious. Alright, so why is this not working? That's interesting. Is it because the unit selection is less than 0? Oof. Oh yeah, because the variables are not set. West 165. Okay. Wait, do I have a different waypoint selection in unit selection? Yeah, I do. Okay, that explains it. So I have a different variable for waypoints. Edit. Okay, so I need to change this condition a bit. Oh, autocomplete is nice. I think that's correct. So let's see. Okay, it's still not working. What the hell? This working, and this -1. Why is it showing -1 there? Okay. So unit type. Yeah, I need to check how I change waypoint selection. Right. Oof, what's going on? Damn, this script is buggy. I will need to fix the F-watch. Okay. Can I do this? No problem. Unit -1, type waypoint. We'll just shift this up. What's going on? Did I make a typo? No, it's going to the edit waypoint. Okay. Right. Should be waypoint selection. There we go. Finally, I've got a mini. This only took 15 minutes. Awesome. Not the best track record, but we're trying. Okay, I need to delete this shit. I don't need this. Don't need this. And I don't need this. Alright, so now I have to define data. So back to the desktop. I don't need the resource anymore. Dialogues, maybe. Alright. So yeah, I need to make a list of properties. Here are all of them. So I just copy it. Could do this actually. There we go. And now remove all the new line. And we've got an array. That was easy. Edit waypoint properties. Right. And now I need to tie these properties to the fields in the dialog. So I just need to write the numbers in this array. Okay. So first is combat. This is behavior. Let me check. Combat mode behavior. This is behavior. Okay, let's save our combat stuff. This is behavior. Okay. Let's find the number for it. I think it's just called combat mode. Yes. Combat mode. IDC 106. There we go. Oh wait, but there's actually combat and combat mode. It's confusing. So, oh yeah. So combat mode is combat mode. So combat is behavior and combat mode is combat mode. That makes sense. Maybe they should just call it behavior. Like Bohemia Interactive. Oh jeez. Okay, and this is 105, easy. Description. Where is description? Description is the third. Tag sequence value description. There we go. 104. Expression condition. It's called condition. It's here. It's under the timeout. So I find timeout. Next is 118, easy. And under that, no wait, active is on activation. Okay. So it's 116 and this is 118. Easy. Formation. Value formation is 106. Okay. I already used 106. So I am getting confused. So combat mode is the first here. The description. Okay, this is combat mode. It's combat mode 105. Okay. And combat is called behavior here. It's called value combat. So this is 108. This is 106. Next, placement. This is 109. Position. Position is not determined, so actually remove position. Script. What is script? Oh, script is on the bottom. So 119. Show waypoint. Oh, so this is the toolbox. This is under the above the script. So this is the toolbox. I need to change it to combo. And this is 117. Next is speed. It's 107. Synchronizations not used. Timeout. It's value timeout. 112. Timeout made. 113. Timeout max 112. Timeout minimal 111. Type. What is type? Select type. Oh, it's the first option. Okay. So type is here, 102. And default values for these properties. Luckily, I've got them written here. Okay, default value for combat. Wait, what? No change. Okay. Also, this is list box, so the default is the first option. How did it work? I don't remember how I was doing it. Let's set it to no change. Combat mode. There's also no change. Description is empty. Expression active. On activation, that's empty string. Condition is also empty string. Formation, no change. Placement is 0. Script is empty. Show waypoint. Let's set it to 0. Speed is no change. Maybe I just should set it to. I just should set it to empty string. Hello, Alex Mercer. Timeout max. Timeouts are 0. Here, ambulance is going all the time. And type is move. No, my house ain't burning. I'm pretty sure that first aid responders wouldn't be able to deal with the fire. Okay, what's next? I need to set the values for the list boxes. So, how many list boxes do I have? 1. Waypoint order, yeah, 2. This will have to be dealt with somehow. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 here. Okay, so I've got 6 list boxes. So the list box that I have is type. And the waypoint type. And type name. First value is called move. Guess I'll have to write them in the correct order. Where is string table? Not this. String table. Hold on a second, I'll bring it back. Alright, let's continue. I need to get the list of the waypoints. Yeah, I think this is it. Move, destroy, get in, sick, and destroy, move. Get in, destroy, mission. Yeah, I'll have to put them in the correct order. Alright, so first is move. Next is destroy. Next is get in. Then seek and destroy. Next is join. Join and lead. Where is it? Join. I don't have this. Fergus was bored and got back to work? Yeah, something like that. Actually, I wasn't bored. I was pretty not bored, procrastinating. Cycle load. Unload. Transport, unload. Hold. Sentry. Have you ever like used all of these different waypoints? I procrastinate when I'm bored, but I don't want to get back to work. Yeah. Well, what helped me is Flashpoint anniversary, so I wanted to release something on the anniversary. So that kinda woke me up. I use Cycle. I also saw some other people using Sentry. Yeah, I almost never use this stuff. Like, I just... If I want some behavior, I just script it myself. Guard talk. Maybe if Bohemia documented these properly, that would help. You can download version 1532 of 2passmod. Well, thanks. Let me just download 5 gigabytes every single day. That's the dream. Last one is called support. Wait, am I actually doing this right? Okay, so we have here destroy and get in. Yeah, I was taking the wrong values, nice. Seek and destroy is called sad. Join. It's called leader. Get out. Cycle, load, unload. Transport, unload. Oh jeez, I hate this behavior. Hold, sentry, guard, talk, scripted, and support. Okay, everything is fine here. So these were the waypoint types. Okay, let's see. When will 1.16 get out of early access? Not anytime soon, there's still a lot to do. I use hold, cycle, and guard. I tried to use sentry, but never got any useful results, even though I saw it used in a number of missions. Yeah, have you checked the what the wiki says? The B wiki. It's they've got a good description there of stuff. Still a lot to do, like what? I'm mostly cleaning up the code. Yeah, but are there any big features that I want to do? Probably not. Mostly cleaning up the code. Oh yeah. I think when I finish like the game schedule and 3D mission editor, then I can release the efforts, because I need to test this. This needs to be ready. Because I can't just like release efforts, then make the mission editor, then it turns out there's some kind of bug or crash, and then, well, I have to release efforts again. So yeah, this needs to be ready. So I'm basically testing efforts as I create the script. So it's not just code cleaning. Well, it's also rewriting stuff. So the commands to modify the classes were I've written in like 2012 or something, but now I rewritten them so that they're better. So this is why actually I stopped streaming scripting mission editor, because I basically said, yeah, I need better tools for this, and then I never I procrastinated on making the tools, and by tools I mean the new commands for editing and reading classes. So now I've written them again, and I can continue working on a mission editor. Let's see. In theory, sentry will make group hold position until they see enemy, then they attack this enemy and move to further waypoint. Okay, but in my case, they either haven't attacked any enemy or move across half of the map to kill tankers down the state. Okay. I wasn't procrastinating. I mean, when are we talking about? Like, because I kind of work in bursts, so I can like do nothing for months and then start doing stuff again, and then stop doing stuff again. So you've got the new commands, right? So class read SQM. I think I wrote this in the beginning of 2020. And class write I wrote last month, I think. Yeah, something like that. So once I got these two new commands, I can continue working on the 3D mission editor. Let's see. Is there a sentry here? No? What does it say? There we go. The group will move to the waypoint and hold position until the group knows enough about enemy unit to identify which side that belongs to, and that they are capable of attacking. At that point, the group will proceed to the next waypoint. Oh, I get it. I will also know what it is. Okay. Operating system operation flash will win? Never. iPhone 12.17? No. You look older than last year. Obvious though, but you look much older. Well, you know, that's kind of how it works. We're on the verge of extinction. That's actually true. Not many Flashpoint modders. Okay, let's get back to work. Right, so I've got this type, and the next will be combat mode. Wait. Open fire, engage at all. Is this in the correct order? Blue, green, white, yellow, red. I don't know. Well, let's find out. So this is called blue. Next is green. I need to write this down. Blue, green. Oh, okay. They seem to be in the correct order. Open fire, engage at will. The last one is red. Okay, so it's correct. So never fire. Hold fire. Hold fire, engage at will. Open fire. Open fire, engage at will. Never fire is blue, yeah, it's correct. Open fire is yellow, red is probably the worst comment. Waifu pillow behind the microphone? Yeah, something like that. Hope you can see it. My brother actually bought this pillow and just left it there. So I use it for streaming. It improves the streaming experience. Okay, I need to find no change. What's next? Formation. You seem to be in the correct order. Shown left, shown right. V and line. Okay. Easy. Next. Speed. By the way, I read your control numbers. They wouldn't correlate with other ones, right? Like if I add description X to the mission. What? Yeah. What kind of dialogue? Which dialogue do you want to add? All the IDD stuff doesn't matter. And IDC stuff. So I mean, you can have two different dialogues having the same IDC numbers. So like, as long as you don't have the two scripts running at once, then there won't be a problem. Like, let's say I've got this, I've got dialogue, and then control, and the control has IDC 10. I've got the second dialogue that has IDC 10. Okay, so this won't be a problem. But if I like have, if I'm gonna launch script for these and script for these at the same time, then it's gonna conflict. Hello, E7. Maybe it should be 07. No change. Army jokes? It's actually a Twitch joke. Okay. Oh, is it Twitch? I haven't seen this email before Twitch, so. Combat and combat mode has a huge space between them. What do you mean? Right, I wanted to do speed. Okay, that's speed. What's next? Behavior. White space, dude. Oh, like here. Ah, okay. Well, thanks. I don't care about formatting on my scripts. Well, they are more readable if you format them. I'll criticize Fagus for blank space. Okay, let's save. And the last one will be this toolbox. What is it called? Show waypoint. Oh yeah, if you like show the waypoints on the map, then you'll be able to move them. It's kind of cool, actually. So if you remember my minimap video, you can... I was moving the waypoint in real time. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I can move it. Cool. All friendlies advanced and attack. Okay. F-A-A-A. I don't get it. Fergus needs some cool marketable name for his 3D editor, just like Bohemia have 3Den, because 3D mission editor sounds boring. Well, maybe sounds boring, but it is descriptive. Like, you read it, and you immediately know what it is. Plus I was never good with names, like I don't want to name my script like Omega 6, because that's just you don't know what the fuck it is. Tree then spells Eden. Guess who haven't played Arma 3. No, I'm gonna read it how it is written. Okay, what I was doing, I think I've got all the list boxes now. So what's next? I need to do the function, I believe. function when I refresh everything. Okay. What was the class path like? Groups? Group. Like this. There we go. Was it unit ID? Right. No, it must be Waypoint ID. Okay. Waypoint ID. Wait, that's the wrong class path. Oh. This is the correct one. There we go. Saturday afternoon be like Karma Community Reunion. Yeah, something like that. Oh, it's nice. Three then. CHR33 dimensional editor mission. Out of curiosity, do you happen to use huge font in Notepad++ when you're not in streaming too? No, I use the smallest possible. I only use it big for the streaming so that you can see stuff. I normally just work like this. I need to see as much text as possible. I also enlarged it in the in-game script editor. I normally use smaller here too. Edit waypoint properties. This is fine. Okay, so I'm reading this class and I'm filling the array with values. That's fine. Okay, I need to find the ID numbers for the list boxes. Wait, do I actually put underscore there? Yeah, I do. Okay, so type is 102. Combat mode is 105. Formation is 106. speed 107, behavior. Where's the behavior? Behavior is missing. That's weird. Oh, it's called combat. So this should be called combat, not behavior. So that's 108. Show waypoint 117. You should flip your screen 90 degrees to fit more text. Well, that sounds good, but I have bad viewing angles, so I tried that before actually, flipping to portrait, and then you can't see stuff properly. Maybe like with any future monitor that has good viewing angles, if that's possible. I don't know what's the newest technology with the LCD stuff. Add RTX, yeah, okay, dude. Is it possible to add feature for scaling fonts for the script editor? Scaling fonts? I mean, I believe you could replace a font with a different one, but it's already like the highest possible. It's here is the home 24, and here font is Courier. And Courier is only one resolution, so you'll have to add custom font and then change it in the configuration. Yesterday I played with 2 players and the pilot just got flipped with the helicopter after we ejected, and the heli was still in one piece with a flip. Well, that's unique to Flashpoint. That's something that will never happen in Arma. In Arma 3. You can like market this shit. Like the Rojik did the video with the Flashpoint physics recently. Dude, can you send me that list of defined variables? Which variables you're talking about? With custom fonts, would it be possible to add some sort of zoom in, zoom out feature? No. I mean, would it be? No, because I would need to make a second dialog or control, and it's just annoying. It's annoying that you can't do this in Flashpoint. Like if you want to change something, you have to replace a dialog control. That's something that they fixed in Arma. In Arma you can just modify stuff however you want. Changing fonts on the fly, no, forget about it. Oh yeah, but this is just the in-game script editor configuration, like you can download it. You can download it here. In-game script editor for the latest Deathwatch. Is this like everything for description ext? No, this is just in-game script editor configuration. All the stuff that I can't find. I mean, I guess you could check like keyget is a spectating script from FDF. There's some stuff there. Or maybe in WGL? I don't remember. Yeah, check keyget is spectating script. Okay, text inputs. It's gonna be a lot of them. So, okay, description is the first. Text input. Next is placement radius. Next is timeout. Condition on activation. And script is the last. Fox open up config file in US if it's vanilla resource. True. All I see is Windows XP style. More like Windows 98. Windows XP style is different. I actually kinda miss it, considering what's happening with the Windows 10. I don't like this minimalist style. So this is actually Windows XP style. Oh jeez, why this? These are screenshots for ants. Oh my god, Wikipedia. That's so disappointing. Oh my god. This is so bad. Yeah, this was Windows XP style. It was big and blue. And this gray and small is Windows 98. Yeah, I remember actually. Some time ago, the internet guy came here. That was a few years ago actually, and he saw my computer and he asked if I'm using Windows 98. And it's like, Windows 98 didn't have icons, it had tabs. Like, this is a pleb take. Like, you don't know Windows 98? I think the guy was born after Windows 98, so that will explain stuff. plot twist. Fog running Windows 7 with Windows 95 GUI. Well, that's actually what is happening, yeah. You sure you're not viewing thumbnails? I mean, if I click on it, it should take me to the full resolution, right? Like, that's how website work. Alright, I got the text inputs. So this should be displayed. Waypoint properties should be displayed in the window. Need to restart the script. Oh, yeah. First waypoint. And it's not working. Okay. Cool. Alright. I named the function incorrectly. Okay. Let's check now. It's still not working. Yeah, I should create this before. Now it will work. There we go. No? Got the move. Got the support. Description is disappearing for some reason. Not cool. I actually had to see Windows 95 XP Vista and so on, but I never used Vista before. Yeah, I remember you had to get Vista in order to play Halo 2 or something like that. Because Vista handled the new DirectX version. But you could, they made some hacks that you could play Halo without on Windows XP. Damn, that was a long time ago. What's going on here? Let's actually check if I'm reading the correct. Right, I can just do this from the in script editor. Okay. I need to check if I'm reading the correct information. So I think that was Ctrl-Shift-N to do this. Yeah, got it. Something is wrong here. It's reading position, description, and show waypoint. Okay. Edit waypoint properties. Ooh, there we go. That's a mistake. I think it should work now. For some reason, the description is disappearing. Not great. And this is not okay. Let's reload the mesh. Why is it still toolbox? What? There's no toolbox anymore? Oh, I didn't save it. Jesus. There we go. Why is description disappearing? That's interesting. Okay. Description is 104. Okay, 104 is not changed anywhere. Oh, because I'm... Oh my god. This is why copying code is dangerous. There we go. Now it loads information correctly. That's cool. Okay, I can remove this. Right, let's continue. Now I need to make the options actually editable. Okay. So I can fill, I don't need this. I need this. Okay. These are text inputs. Which inputs are numeric? So placement radius, timeout. So 4 are numeric. Okay. Placement. Timeout. List boxes. I don't think I need this. Verify number. Delay saving. I think I'm doing this for text inputs. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm doing this for text input. Okay. So when you type text, it's saved like every quarter of a second instead of every microsecond. Oh, right. Text. Yes. This. Okay. This is the same. Value, call value. Okay, these are numeric inputs. Write to SQL file. Write user input in extra quotation marks. Oh, I don't remember how this works. Yeah, I think I need save text inputs. Oh, let's see what happens. Class path. Okay, I think this should be it. Okay, so switch to full screen. Okay, change the waypoint to destroy. Yeah, I should add some kind of feedback. Tiledeck saved, okay. There should be feedback. What's going on? Nothing happened. What am I doing wrong? Of course. Right, this should be it. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V seems like a bane of focus. True. What are we doing wrong? I'm using the wrong variable names because I just copied them from other code and I didn't change them because it's kind of hard to see when it's that much code. Your eyes just skim through it. You know, I would write it correctly if I would write it from scratch, but it just takes too much time to write it from scratch. There we go, let's change it. Saved. Did it save? Let's find out. It did. Okay. That's cool. Let's change it to, I don't know, Sentry. There we go, it's Sentry. Okay, next. Waypoint order, yeah, that's going to be a harder thing. I'm gonna leave it for later. Let's change this. First waypoint for the... no. For the West Squad, okay. Yep. The name changed. Combat mode. Open fire, engage at will. Open fire, engage at will. Perfect. Next. Formation V. There it is. Next. Speed. Normal. There it is. Behavior, combat. There it is. Placement radius 100. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, I think I know what's wrong. Yeah, I shouldn't drop this because it's numeric input. Okay. Okay, this should work. Oh, just in case, I'll revert the changes. And now, placement radius 100. Works. Timeout. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Condition. Oh, condition is not read properly. Oh yeah, default value for the condition is true. What do I do with this? Maybe I'll leave it. That's fine. So let's write here condition. Or maybe I'll just write the condition. Okay. Whoa, what? Oh, there we go. Game just crashed on me. Oh, not really crashed, but more like terminated. I hear lots of birds in your area, Winter. Yeah, at this time you have lots of birds here. I guess because there are a lot of trees here. It's usually at this time of hour, like it's not in the middle of the day. I'm not sure what they are called in English. Okay, so let's see what's wrong. Groups. Oh. What are the waypoints? Oh, the waypoints are here. Waypoints. I don't see anything wrong here. Oh my god. Wrong exit. Intel? What is Intel? Where? Oh. Oh. That's curious. This looks like an FWatch bug. That's weird. This game is following me since 2006. Oh my god, yeah. I mean, this game has been following me since much earlier, but okay. Until NVIDIA. That's not monkey sound, these are birds. Actually? Can we like... Yeah, these are not the kind of bird that I'm looking for. I think these are these, maybe? I don't know. Oh, it's actually... I written it incorrectly. Shit. Common Swift. Okay. When Resistant Campaign got released? 2002. Let's get back to the testing. I need to delay the saving, maybe like half a second instead of quarter of a second. There it is. Test. Let's add it. Okay. Well, that was weird. Some kind of bug. If it doesn't repeat, then it's gonna be harder to find. Yeah, man, we really need a way to fire and control the SCAD. It's amazing, just like me, yeah. I mean, you have a scripting command for it. It's called SCAD state, I believe. But it's just like animation. If you want explosions, actual explosions, you'll need to script them yourself. Where's the screen black? Okay, it's not black. Always show. There we go. Show waypoint. I'm not gonna see this here. Okay. Show waypoint is 117. Oh yeah, the default for show waypoint should be empty string. Let's check now. There we go. Always show. And last is script. Focus needs bigger screen for arrows. True. Okay. Seems to work. I've changed everything except for these. Waypoint order. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with waypoint order. How does this work actually? Oh, yeah. True. Oh, so I like replace everything. Okay, let's see. Can I do this in 12 minutes? Probably not. Maybe I'll do this tomorrow. So I just need to rename the classes. So like I have item 0, item 1. Let's say I have 3 waypoints, so that's item 3. So if I want to move this waypoint, then everything that comes before that will need to be increased by 1. And everything that comes after will have to be turned to 0. Right? No. 93. Okay, let's say I want to move item 2 forward. Wait, am I not in full screen? Jeez, I forgot to switch, sorry. Right. So let's say I have 5 waypoints. We don't hear music. It's probably something silent. No, it's Arma 2 actually. So it's loud. Yeah. Okay, so let's say I want to move this waypoint forward, then I need to increase everything that comes before that by 1. And then this is also increased as well. Okay, everything that comes after that will actually need to be increased by 1 as well. So this becomes item 4, but when it's above the number of waypoints, number of waypoints -1, okay. Right? No. When it's above or equal number of waypoints, then I need to subtract number of waypoints from it. So like -5, and it's gonna be 0. Let's see, let's say we have item 5. No, I always move 1 item. Okay. Yeah, I think this is something that I will figure out tomorrow. If I want to swap these waypoints, item 2, item 4. I need more waypoints to test it properly. Okay, so let's say I have move, I have destroy, get in, and then seek and destroy. Okay, so let's say I want to move, swap it with join. Oh, so these waypoints are pushed forward, right? That's that. And I swapped move with join. So move is now the 3rd. And join is pushed last. Okay, I think I get it. Alright, I'm gonna figure out this out tomorrow. I'm streaming for almost 2 hours, so it's time to end this. I'm going to update the script in a few minutes so you can download it and try for yourself. Yeah, be careful and make mission backup because it can still like screw your mission up. Alright, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. I'm streaming tomorrow at the same time. And then maybe on Monday, I don't know, maybe not. We'll see. So, see you tomorrow, bye!